Allahu la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum. Allah, the Almighty Creator, the Sustainer of heavens and the earth. There is no other benefactor, there is no other God except He. He is the life giver, the self-sustainer, the eternal and the only absolute. La ta'khuzuhu sinatun wa la nawm. He requires, that benefactor, that creator requires no rest, and nor does that benefactor require any kind of sleep, because fatigue does not affect that creator. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. Everything in the heavens and the earth, whether it is seen, whether it is unseen, subtle, evident, high, low, microscopic, in the heaven and in the earth, inside or outside, it all belongs to that creator. Man zal lazi yashfa'u indahu illa bi'iznih. So, who is it? Who is it among the creatures? The men or the jinn or the angels or the animals? Who is it that could contend with that benefactor, that creator? Who is it that can achieve anything without his permission? يَعْلَمُ مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَمَا خَلْفَهُمْ. He knows what goes in front of them in their lives, their history, and He knows what follows them in their posterity and their history. He knows completely, because their lives are within the capsule of His knowledge. وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنْ عِلْمِهِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ. And they will never, the creatures, the human beings, will, with intelligence, they will never be able to snatch or harbor or harness any knowledge from Him other than what He allows them to do so. وَسِيَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. His throne according to His majesty extends above the heavens and the earth, above the waters, above the galaxies, outside the realm of time and space. وَلَا يَعُودُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. And He does not suffer any fatigue. Nothing is taken from Him. If He gives the whole world what it asked for, it doesn't decrease any of His wealth. And sustaining the heavens and the earth doesn't require any effort, because He owns it and He sustains it by His will. And He is the high, He is the mighty, He is the powerful, He is the sovereign, He is the honor, He is the ruler, He is the Lord, He is the creator. That's the description of the God. So, I ask you, do you know anybody else that you could describe that way? You know some nations, you know some tribes, some presidents, some companies, some individuals, your uncle, your father, some heroes. Do you know somebody that has that description? No, you don't. Of course you don't. Because Allah is only one. No one is like Him. He is only one God. God alone.